Aufbau principle, and how to find the energy of orbitals. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of unique and simple lectures for free. Now consider sodium atom. We know that the atomic number of sodium is 11. I am interested to configure the 11 electrons of sodium in 1s, 2s, 2p and 3s. But here is the most important question. How electrons of the sodium should be arranged in these orbitals? I mean, firstly I should place electrons in either 3s or in 1s or in 2s. Well, to solve this problem, we use Aufbau principle. Now, what is Aufbau principle? Well, Aufbau principle states that electrons fill orbitals of the lowest energy levels before occupying higher energy levels. Remember that Aufbau is not the name of any scientist. It is a German word which means to build. Here, in the case of sodium, firstly, electron will fill the 1s orbital. Secondly, electron will fill the 2s orbital. Thirdly, electron will fill the 2p orbital. And finally, electron will fill the 3s orbital. It is because the energy of 1s is smaller than 2s, and so on. Thus note it down that Aufbau principle teaches us about filling orbitals in increasing order of energy. Also, you must learn that how to find the energy of any orbital. Well, energy of orbitals is directly proportional to n plus L. Now, what is n and L? Well, we have already learned in our previous lecture that n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. For example, we know that when n is equal to 1, it is K shell. When n is equal to 2, it is L shell. When n is equal to 3, it is M shell. And when n is equal to 4, it is N shell. Thus remember that n starts from 1 and goes up to 4. Similarly, we know that there are 4 suborbitals S, P, D, F. And for S, L is equal to 0. For P, L is equal to 1. For D, L is equal to 2. And for F, L is equal to 3. Thus L starts from 0 and goes up to 3. Now consider 3s and 4p. Which orbital has more energy, 3s or 4p? Well, in case of 3s, n is equal to 3. For s, L is equal to 0. So n plus L is equal to 3 plus 0 and we get 3. In case of 4p, n is equal to 4. For p, L is equal to 1. So n plus L is equal to 4 plus 1 and we get 5. Thus 4p has more energy than 3s because the n plus L value of 4p is greater than 3s. Therefore, according to Aufbau principle, electrons will firstly fill the 3s orbital due to having lower energy. The second example is 2p and 4s. In case of 2p, n is equal to 2. For p, L is equal to 1. So n plus L is equal to 3. In case of 4s, n is equal to 4. For s, L is equal to 0. So n plus L is equal to 4. Thus 4s has more energy than 2p. Therefore, according to Aufbau principle, firstly electrons will fill 2p orbital and then 4s orbital. Also, you should know the special case, for example, 3p and 4s. In case of 3p, n is equal to 3. For p, L is equal to 1. So n plus L is equal to 4. In case of 4s, n is equal to 4. For s, L is equal to 0. So n plus L is equal to 4. The value of n plus L is same for both 3p and 4s. Do they have same energy? Well, the answer is no, they do not have. In such cases, when you get same value of n plus L for two orbitals, always decide on the basis of principal quantum number n. The quantum number of 3p is n is equal to 3 and the quantum number of 4s is n is equal to 4. So 3p has lower principal quantum number than 4s. Hence 3p has smaller energy and 4s has more energy. Therefore, according to Aufbau principle, firstly electron will fill 3p orbital and then 4s orbital. One last special case is 2p and 3s. In case of 2p, n is equal to 2, for p, l is equal to 1, so n plus l is equal to 3. In case of 3s, n is equal to 3, for s, l is equal to 0, so n plus l is equal to 3. Again we get same value of n plus l for both the orbitals. Can you guess that which orbital has less energy? I hope you can. The principal quantum number of 2p is 2 and that of 3s is 3. So 2p has lower energy than 3s. Therefore, according to Aufbau principle, firstly electrons will fill 2p orbital. Finally, let me teach you the very common and easy trick of understanding the energy of orbitals. Now write some orbitals like 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 5s, 5p and 6s. Now electron will go into the 1s, then to 2s, then to 2p and 3s, then to 3p and 4s, then to 3d, 4p and 4s, then to 4d, 5p and 6s. So the order of increasing energy of orbitals is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s and so on. Thus by this way we can also find the energy of orbitals. According to Aufbau principle, we can then start placing electrons in these orbitals from lower energy level. If you have learned something new in this lecture, then like it and subscribe our channel for more conceptual lectures. Thank you for watching this video.